Have you ever shared your Excel sheet and someone entered the wrong data like this? Let's fix that today. Today I will show you how we can make drop-down menu on Excel to achieve data validation, so only the right info goes into the right place. So let's get started. First we will select the range where we want our drop-down menu to appear. Then go to the Data tab, select Data Validation. Here we will give our data validation criteria, which in our case is a list, because we are going to enter Excel a predefined list of terms. From that list we will select our desired input values. So here we will give our values for the department column. So we have department here: IT, HR, admin, marketing and operations. Once the list is complete, we will press OK. Now you can see that we have got a drop down menu in our department column. By using this, we can select the predefined values from this drop down menu and enter only the right information into the right place without making any mistakes and typo errors. We will repeat same for the status column. Select the data range where you want your drop down menu to appear. Go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, give validation criteria as a list, and in the source field give your values. Here we will give active and inactive. Press OK and we have our status drop down menu also ready. Now by using this, you can complete your task without any kind of errors, duplications or data validation problems. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.